So hello everyone. Today we will see in Fiori app how to extend the material in one plant from multiple storage location. As we know in the SAP GI screen, we have if you want to extend the material to for multiple storage location, we have to use the T code MMSC, and then we have to extend, then and only we can extend the material to the multiple storage location. But in Fiori there is no need to do like this. In simple, where we are creating the material in the same screen only, we can extend the material to multiple storage location. As you can see, suppose if I take the example of this material 12. Okay, this is the material. If you want to see that currently this material is extended to which storage location, so what I will do, you have to write manage product master data. Just a second. Manage product master data. Okay, and I will take the example of that 12 material number. Okay, here what we have to do, just a second. We have to just write manage product master data. Okay, just write this app name, then in the product write this 12 number. Okay, and just go, click on go button. Okay, then this material is coming. Now just go to inside. Okay, click on that side arrow button. After this the screen will come. Here what you have to do, firstly click on this edit icon, and now what you have to do, we have to first check that this material is extended to how many storage location. Okay, so just wait for a few minutes. Okay, so now click on this storage icon. Okay, okay, not storage icon, we have to just go to purchasing tab. Sorry, go to plants tab, not in a storage tab. And see, if we go to, suppose I am taking the example of second plant 1002. So just go inside. Under the plant, storage location is maintained, because storage location is also maintained at plant level only. And under this, click on this storage location icon. Okay, to know that this material is extended to how many storage location. And as you can see, under this plant 1002 plant, this material is extended to only one storage location 1001. But suppose if you want to extend to it multiple storage location, so in normally how we do in SAP GI, we have to use the T code MMSC and then run maintain the storage location what you want. But in this case, what you have to do, under the storage location, just go inside. Oh, sorry, just go back and click on this create icon. And here you can maintain, suppose if you have another storage location, multiple storage location, so you can choose. Okay, you can choose multiple storage location at a time only, and just click on apply icon. Okay, and just click on check. click on check, and then system will show if there any error, then system will show error. If no, then it will show green, that there is no error in this screen. So checks executed successfully. Now you can see under this material, under my second plant 1002 plant, I have extended to if we go inside this plant only, okay, if you go to inside, okay, and go to storage location. So as you can see, this material is extended to two storage location. Just click on apply and save. So this is very easy way. In Fiori, you can very easily extend the material to multiple storage location without using any other screen and all that. Okay, in the same screen only you can extend it. Okay, thank you.